My name's Trevor Carr. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make $300 per day from the internet, from the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the world with an internet connection, and how you can do it without a website, without a list, and without any previous experience. And before we get stuck in, guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please click on the like button for me and say hello to me in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little notification bell. Let me just show you a couple of things so I can show you how I'm qualified to teach this stuff. I went full-time just over 2 years ago, and in that time I've already done over $445,000 in sales revenue as a vendor. In the last 30 days I've done $8,000 in one of my accounts on Warrior Plus, $9,000 in another account. Let me just show you that this is all accurate stuff here, because I'm just going to go last week. And there's 5,600, and then last 30 days. Just want to show you this is real stuff. And also over on ClickBank in the last, where are we? A couple of weeks, I've done maybe $2,500, $3,000 over there as well. Now, I don't show you this to show off. That is not my style. I'm showing you this just to show you that I'm qualified to teach you this stuff, okay? Now, stick around, because at the end of this video I'm going to show you how you can fast track this and make it a lot easier for you to achieve results. First of all, let's show you exactly how you can do what I'm doing. Now, Warrior Plus is a platform where people sell products. So you've got vendors on there selling products, and you've got affiliates who are selling other people's products and making affiliate commissions. And this is a great way to make money. Now, before I came into this market full time, I remember seeing a video where somebody showed me that they'd made $200,000 on Warrior Plus, and I was absolutely gobsmacked. It was a huge amount of money, and you know, the guy seemed just like a normal person, just like me. Well, if you can call me normal, my wife doesn't think so, but it, you know, just showed you what could be achieved. And he was an honest guy, and he ended up being my mentor. So I followed in his footsteps to a certain extent, and then from then I've gone on to develop my own style and my own ideas. And as you can see, I've done over 445,000 in this account alone, but I've actually launched in 3 other accounts as well. So if the combined incomes were on there, it'd be well over $500,000, which I think is pretty good in just over 2 years. But how did I do that? Well, how I did that is by creating and launching products. Now, that might sound really, really complicated, but it's not as complicated as you might think. It doesn't have to be complicated at all. In fact, it can be really, really simple. What you need in order to create and launch products is, first of all, you need an idea, and then you need to create a product, and then you need a sales page and a delivery page, and that's pretty much it in a nutshell. So in order to get your ideas, one thing that you can do, which is what I did, is I went over to a site called Big Product Store, okay? And I'm going to give you a link down here underneath this video to this site where you can get my bonuses as well. But on this site you get what's called, well, apart from other things like master resale rights, you'll get private label rights products. So as you can see there, Learning Gutenberg Video Series Pack, it's called PLR. Private label rights means that you can do what you want to it. And what I did was I took some PLR and I pimped it. And by pimping it, what I mean is I rebranded it, I recreated it, and I turned that into my own product. It was a pretty simple process. It took a little bit of time, but at the end of it, I had a product. So I took a video series from this site. I downloaded it. I went through the videos in there. I looked at what was missing, what I could add to, what I could change, what I could improve. I re-recorded them, uploaded them, and rebranded it, called it my own product, and then I launched it on Warrior Plus. And that product, that $5 PLR, did over $8,000. After that, I created a course that taught people how I did that. And that product did over $32,000. And since then, as you can see, I've gone on to do coming up to $500,000 now. But that's the process of getting yourself a product together. But from then, that point onwards, how would you get that product, you know, out to sell and get people buying it? Well, if you've got no experience with websites and you're not a web designer or anything like that, then there's a really, really simple way that you can do that, and that's with Google Docs. Okay, so if we come over to here, and we'll see, this is something that I've been putting together myself. This is a Funerific Fiverr Access doc that I've been doing as a case study for one of my training programs, and this is a document that is it's an access document for people to download the product that you've created. So here you would have links to your videos. So you go over to here, you find the PLR, you download it, you pimp it, recreate it, re-upload them to YouTube, and then you just put the links to your videos onto a Google Doc as your access doc. Now, once you've got your access doc, that means you've got a product. Once you've got your product, it means that you can then upload that onto Warrior Plus and you can get sales. But you will need a sales page. And if you're, again, not into creating websites, then one of the ways that you can do that is with a Google Doc. And all I did here was create another Google Doc. And this is a Google Doc sales page. So on here, we've got like a sales letter that introduces them to the product. Don't forget, we came over here, we found a product, we downloaded it, we pimped it, we re-uploaded it to YouTube, we put the access into a Google Doc, and then we created a sales doc. That then enables us to go over to Warrior Plus, and on Warrior Plus we can add it over here to the vendor products section, and then once we've done that, we can add it to the offers selection. Now, once you've done all of that, and I know that sounds like that is a bit complicated, but what you're doing here is you're making the transition from consumer to creator. And this is something that I discovered back then before I went full time. The issue for me was I could see people who were making a lot of money every month. They were working full time, as in they didn't have a job anymore. They weren't working full time in time terms, but they had a full time income coming in from the internet. And they were releasing products, and I was asking them, you know, how much money you're making and that kind of thing and what you're doing. And it occurred to me that they actually weren't making money from the stuff that they were teaching in the products that they were releasing. They were making money from the money they were making from those products themselves that they were releasing. So, for example, if they brought out a product, you know, how to make $10,000 a month using free traffic on Facebook, then you guarantee that they weren't actually making $10,000 a month from free traffic on Facebook. They may have made a little bit, but that wasn't where their real money was. Where their real money was from making products and releasing them. Because what happens is, on Warrior Plus, for example, you're a vendor, okay? You set up a product, you put it out for sale. Other affiliates send traffic to your sales page and make sales. They get paid commissions, and you get the buyer's email address. And that's where the holy grail is, because the buyer's email address is what you collect into your autoresponder, and then you send out emails to them after the launch for other people's products, and you make affiliate commissions. And that's the way the cycle goes. So it's transitioning from consumer to creator that's going to make all the difference when it comes to making money online. I'm not going to overcomplicate it, because that is as simple as it is. So you need a product idea, and sometimes PLR is a great place to go and find a kind of creative template that you can use to give you inspiration. You remake that, kind of produce it. If it's video, you re-record the video. If it's an ebook, you rewrite the ebook in your own words, make it better. Pimp it, brand it, increase the perceived value, and then get it out there. And you can do that using docs, as I've shown you right here. Now, at the beginning of the video, I said that I was going to give you a way to fast track that, and I do have a really, really good way to fast track that is going to make things become a lot simpler for you. Obviously, I've just spent the last, 8 minutes here going through this. I can't really show you how I've made $500,000 in 8 minutes, but what I can do is show you that in my brand new course. And let me just show you what that is now. So I've created a course called Intrinsic, and what Intrinsic does is go through step by step, showing you the formula that I've just outlined to you and giving you the inside track on exactly what you need to do in order to be successful with that. On the next page, you're going to see a video from me where I go through and I give you the honest truth about Intrinsic, but then also show you what is Intrinsic, what it's all about. But I've got these bonuses. Now, as you can see, there are 12 bonuses left at the moment there. But inside this bonus bundle, you're going to get absolutely free of charge my affiliate profit system. Now, the affiliate profit system itself teaches you everything you need to know about internet marketing, affiliate marketing, from my point of view, what I've discovered in the last 2 years to enable me to do what I do today. It's a collection of exclusive videos. All the training is by me, and you can't get it anywhere else. And you're going to get this absolutely free of charge when you pick up Intrinsic through my link. I'm also going to give you recurring, which is when I teach you how to make passive income that's recurring income without having a website. Again, this is all training taught by me, created by me, and you can get it free of charge when you pick up Intrinsic. I'm also going to give you Traffic Cashifier. In Traffic Cashifier, I teach you how to turn traffic into cash, because there's so many trainings out there that teach you how to get traffic online, but not how to make money from it. So I'm going to show you how to turn that traffic into cash. Then we've got Commission Impossible. In Commission Impossible, I show you how to use free traffic that you can harness to drive your traffic and conversions in any niche and make money online in any niche whatsoever. I'm also going to give you Tube Dollars, where I show you how to harness the power of YouTube to make affiliate commissions. And I'm going to give you how to make money on Fiverr, which is a video training course showing you how to tap into that huge website. Also going to give you my latest traffic method, which is a free traffic method. It shows you how to get high converting, highly engaged traffic absolutely free of charge. That's my 2019 version. And I'm going to give you the Facebook Messenger bot marketing guide, which is a video training course. All of these bonuses, real world value of $379, will be yours absolutely free of charge when you pick up Intrinsic through my link. So if this is something that you'd like to explore further and you'd like to know how you can make money online consistently, and I'm talking day in, day out, and you're a complete newbie and you've got no experience whatsoever, that's fine. If you've been trying at this for a while, then this is perfect for you. If you've tried at this and had some success, but not great success, then this is perfect for you. So why don't you join me? It's very, very cheap. This is like one of the cheapest things that you can ever invest in yourself for the value that you get out of it, to show you how you do this kind of stuff. Click on the button below and join me now, and I'll see you on the other side. All the best, Trevor. And before we get stuck in, guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please click on the like button for me and say hello to me in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little notification bell